In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best portable home generators in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which portable home generator is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. At number 5, Briggs & Stratton Portable Generator, 30,651 P2200. Nobody said you have to leave pleasure and relaxation behind when you place off for an outside adventure. As a result of this, all you need to do would be to just grab the Briggs & Stratton 30651 P2200 variant, then voila! Everything is placed. It will help for simple carrying by a few of people. It keeps enough fuel, it lets you connect between two elements in order to secure more energy. Here is the item number 4, PAXS 100-watt portable generator. The opportunity to along with the PAXS 100-watt portable generator is your apparatus that will help you attain that. It is excellent for maintaining your apparatus build-up or functioning in case there is a power outage, meaning it will perfectly fit your own requirements. The generator can easily be recharged via sunlight, vehicle, or wall socket. It may be totally built in 8 hours to provide exceptional results. The generator is great for camping, RV, emergencies, and much more. It sports an input signal and DC/AC/UPS output signal. The item number 3, Durostar Gas-Powered Portable Generator, DS4000S. With around 8 hours of runtime, the Durostar DS4000S version will provide you with infinite power, ensuring you are not inconvenienced at all. It comes packed with features, and it is EPA accepted for worry-free use. When it is complete, it enables the generator to operate for up to 8 hours. They guarantee a smooth, silent operation. It shields the generator from power surges. They make work easier. It allows the generator to shut off automatically as soon as the oil level is reduced. Number 2 in our list, Honda 2000-watt portable generator, EU2000i. The device is none apart from the EU2000i variant. It's a versatile generator which works with less noise than ordinary conversation. The generator is perfect for usage in the home, at the office, swimming, or about job site. Makes it effortless to move the generator. The model functions for up to 8.1 hours on a single gallon of gas. It allows the generator to provide clean electricity despite its small design. The design will perfectly combine with almost any modern fittings. The top one in our list, Champion Power Equipment Portable Generator. This revolutionary version from Champion Power Equipment functions straight from the box. It also boasts an electrical start which can greatly improve its functionality. Plus it generates touch start a breeze. The generator is ideal for RVs, in addition to helpful during power outages or other emergency scenarios. It shields against original defects. They're all guaranteed by VoltGuard, so that they could give you the chance to pick a desirable dimensions. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best portable home generators amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.